Three, two, one. About 70 pounds and a 12U softball, or 14U, something like that. Three, two, one. Oh my god, that was a good one. Oh, right next to the cone. Nice. Right next to the cone. That was 70 pounds, including the hanger. That's the stick we were shooting at last time. There's a camera.